Welcome to the NEC SV8500 phone training. In this training, we will discuss the physical features of the phone, go over call handling, which includes placing internal and external calls, putting calls on hold, parking and unparking, transferring and conferencing. I will also show you how to forward calls and adjust and enable personal phone options. We will start by going over the physical features of the phone. We will start with the hold button. The hold button will put internal and external calls on hold. Once a call is on hold, it can be picked up by pressing the flashing line key. This can be done by another user with the same call appearance button. If you wish to place a call on exclusive hold so that only you can retrieve the call, press the hold button twice. Press the flashing line key to receive the held call from your phone. The transfer button allows you to transfer a call to another coworker or an outside line. Press the speaker button for hands-free capability. The button lights up when enabled. The mic light must be lit for two-way conversation. To redial the last person that you made a call out to, press the redial button on the navigational key. Scroll back through the numbers that have been dialed. When the desired number is displayed, press star or pound to activate dialing. The directory button is like a phone book of everyone in your company. The selection key is located in the middle of the navigational key. It is a way to press enter on your phone. At the top of your phone, there is a message indicator light. This will light up when you are receiving a call. It will also be lit when you have unheard voicemail messages. The LCD display screen provides phone activity information plus the date, time, your name, extension, and soft key operation. The soft keys provide you with access to telephony functions and features that are displayed within the LCD screen. The keys change according to the call handling process. The programmable buttons are used for a variety of telephony features such as lines, speed dials, call appearances, headset, or park. The feature button is used to activate any features as terminal setup functions and program one-touch speed dial keys. The recall button is a way to finish a current call and hear a fresh dial tone. When the LED on the answer key is lit, press the key to answer a waiting call. The mic button allows you to turn on and off your microphone while being hands-free, using a headset or speakerphone. Press the mic button to turn on your mic. The key will light up. Press the button again to turn off your mic. Just remember, if the light is on, your mic is on. If the light is off, your mic is off. The menu button provides access to other phone settings such as call history, directory, call functions, and different settings. The volume buttons allow you to adjust the volume for your handset, speaker, ringer volume, and brightness of LCD display. To place a call using your handset, pick up your handset and dial the extension. To place an external call, dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. To end a call, hang up the handset. To place a call using your speakerphone, press the speaker button and dial the extension. To place an external call, dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. To end a call, press the speaker button. While a call is ringing your extension, you'll hear the ringtone and the message indicator light will flash. If caller ID information is provided, the caller's name and number will appear in your display. To answer a call using your handset, pick up the handset. To answer a call using your speakerphone, press the speaker button. To answer a call using your headset, press the programmed headset button. When additional calls are received, press the hold key to place the current call on hold and connect with the next call. To retrieve a held call, press the flashing line key. You may also press the flashing answer key while connected with one call. Pressing the answer button places the first party on hold and connects with the second party automatically. To place a call on hold, press the red hold button. You can safely place the handset on hook without ending the call. To place a call on exclusion hold, which allows only your phone to retrieve the held call, press the hold button twice. To take a call off hold, press the flashing line key. After a predetermined amount of time, a call will recall to the extension that originally placed the call on hold if it is not picked up. To redial the last person you made a call out to, press the redial button on the navigational key. Scroll back through the numbers that have been dialed. When the desired number is displayed, press the star or pound to activate dialing. To transfer a call from your extension to another number, press the transfer button. Dial an extension, press a speed dial, or the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number. For a consult transfer, wait for an answer, announce the call, and hang up to complete the transfer. To complete a blind transfer, hang up the phone as soon as you are done dialing. To cancel a transfer and return to the original call, press the flashing line key. To conference a party into a connected call, press the transfer button. The original call is put on hold. Then dial the extension, press a speed dial, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number. Press the conference soft key, and all three parties will be connected. To forward calls to an internal number, pick up your handset or press the speaker button. Press the Forward All button, enter the extension, and hang up. To forward calls to an external number, pick up your handset or press the speaker button. Press the Forward All button, dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number, and then hang up. To forward calls to your voicemail, pick up your handset or press the speaker button. Press the Forward All button, press the voicemail button, and hang up. To cancel call forwarding, pick up the handset or press the speaker button. Press the Forward All button, wait for the set tone, and hang up. While your phone is ringing, use the up and down buttons on the navigational key to increase and decrease the volume of your ringtone. To change your ringtone, press the menu button. Select 1 for user settings. Press 1 for incoming call. Press 4 for ringtone. Select 1 for external or 2 for internal. Using your keypad, press 1 through 9 to listen to each tone. Press the OK soft key to set the ringtone. Congratulations! You have now completed the NEC SV8500 phone training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.